Hey, here we have a age type in which we define its key like this way. It means that the key is defined as a string and then the value for each key is a number. And then here we have created an object with a bunch of age defined from this type with a value set to each of the person age. And then we're printing to the console the values we have here. As you can see, this is the short wave in Typescript that represent these kind of types. But this time I'm gonna show you another way to represent this object, and personally I think is the best way to set the types in Typescript. So we're putting comments on here and adding a new type like age type is record, and for the first parameter that is the key of the object, it should be defined as a string because we have names, and the second one is a number, which they are values for each key here. So now as you can see, TypeScript is not complaining and we're able to get the same result as this type. Another curious things that we can do is to restrict the key here in order to not be flexible with the strings of names here. For example, we're going to add a new name here like this one. This is the age for that person. And then TypeScript still is not complaining. Let's say that we're gonna let these only 3 names, so I can put here a new type like names type is this one. This is the first one. This is the second one. And this is the third one. And I'm gonna use this type instead of the string here. And then now only these 3 names are being allowed, but this one does not exist in the names type, so I can add here that one as well, and then the error goes away.